In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flar to developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!